We're about to head fishing to our little secret hole, honey hole. That we have permission. We're here. We brought some friends with us. We're gonna go fishing. We're about to sneak in. Give us 1 second.
Hey guys, I said what's up to all our fishing club. What's up? Out here fishing, man. We're about to get some big bass. Know what I'm saying? So let's do this. You already know it's excited. Sunday after a blessing day, we're gonna come out here and catch some nice bass. We brought the baby with us. So let's see how it goes. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Let's go. Initiate our baby Blue right here. She's already been old. We're finna initiate her right now the way we did with Princess. So this is how you do it. Watch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blue, this way. Come on, mama. There you go. There you go. Welcome to the family, mama.
Hey.
Good girl. There you go.
First one of
You're
the
not gonna
day.
believe how I caught it. Check it out, Pepe.
Yeah, follow it.
Yeah. Catch and release this little bad boy. All right. Yeah.
You guys are coming back. Nice one. There you go. Over here. Nice bass, guys. Woo! Look at this bass, guys. Beautiful. Mwah. Catch and release, guys.
There you go. One bass. Right here, baby. We're gonna get here somewhere now. Come on, Blue. Here we go. Look, Blue. See her reaction to the fish. Why'd you get scared?
Come on, Blue. You got
I'm
it?
on both. On both.
That is amazing.
Look
Look
at
how
that.
big that thing is. Grab it by the thumb, so.
Hold on, I'm trying, but I have to. Thing is huge. No, I'm having a good day. I'm over here worried about the cold front. It's okay, buddy. All right. All right. He's breeding. Go ahead and take a picture.
That's disgusting. He just. He got a second one. You know, catch and release.
All right, guys. So that's my 5th bass today. Mwah. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna set it down.
All right, Gustavo.
All right. I'm letting him go. All right. I'm gonna bless you with a kiss now. Okay. I love you too. All right. Ooh. You know you're feisty.
There he goes.
Y'all think I'm playing, but Billy Bob, tell him I'm getting. This is the 7th bass right here. 7th bass.
It's a huge one.
Bigger
also.
one's got away too. Should we keep it or not? Huh?
I don't know.
Oh my
We
god.
can.
That's a little cut. Let's keep it going, baby.
First one for me. You know. Got it.
Here we go. Let me get that. Billy Bob. Billy Bob, you just caught your. No, hold it right here. Hold it through here. Billy Bob just caught his pee-pee. That's his pee-pee right there, guys. Look at that. Look at me. Look at me.
I got it.
Oh my god. Number 10. Number 9. Number 9.
We lost count.
We lost count. We lost count. We catching a whole bunch. Look at this.
That was a fat
That's
one.
a fatty right there. Fatty right there. Throw him back in the water. What you think? You like that one, baby? Yeah? Yeah? It's good. Come on.
All right. Here's the bass. All right, buddy. Swam off.
Not bad, guys. Oh, look at that. Yeah, baby. Second bass. Second bass, baby. And this cold, guys. If I could only touch this bass, it's freezing. I can I don't know, man. It's like ice. This white one right here. Look. Catch and release.
Fifth one. Catch and release, bro.
Another one right here, baby. We're knocking it out today, baby.
Going crazy.
We're going crazy over here.
man, you and me getting big ones.
What can I say, boys? This is the 12th bass. And a big one going, guys.
Okay, guys, so we just came back from fishing. We were there for like 2 hours. It was a great day. I think I only caught 2 bass.
Now
Sadly.
let's talk about teams. Teams, Nuno.
Since me and Manny, I caught 2 and Manny caught
Hey, Blue.
nothing. You can't really see him. Okay, my boys over there in the back. What you caught? Turn the light.
I caught 5. I only got 1.
How many you got?
I caught 5.
You?
I caught 1.
So that makes you 6.
Yep.
Well, my Billy Bob, he's the first person. He's the first time coming fishing. I took him to buy himself we took him to go buy his first rod and reel, and he caught 2. He caught his PV already. It was a big fat one, as you're gonna see it. As you already saw it probably. And what about you, Pepe? Talk to us.
11 bass, baby. Right out the bat. Boom, 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 boom. He was my partner, so total we got 11, 12, 13. We the champions, as always.
So they took first place, 13 bass. They took second place, 6 bass. 4 or 5, 6 bass? 6. And we took 2 bass. Come on, smile, bro. Woo! Smiling. So y'all stay tuned, guys. I hope y'all liked the video. We did not record much of the basses because they were just catching them left to right. Stay tuned, and God bless ya.